everyone, tie the hair up using a rubber band and then tie another rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair up into a bun, fasten it in place using a multiple prong pin as such. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Divide the bottom portion of the hair into two parts. Lift the right side and pull it through the left section and vice versa. Tie a ponytail, divide it into two sections. Taking the topmost section, add a rubber band to the middle, roll the hair in on itself and lift it up as such. Make a braid at the bottom. Roll the braid upwards as well. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make two sections at the back and then begin to braid the hair. Do the same on the other side. Put the right braid into the left section and vice versa, add a decorative clip once you are done. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Repeat this one more time at the bottom. Divide the bottom of the hair into two parts, make two ponytails out of it. Add a rubber band to each of the middle portions of this. Put the right side through the left section and vice versa. Gather the hair together to form a low ponytail, then section out three sections using only the top section of the hair. Add a rubber band in the middle of each of these and then roll them in on themselves. Pull the hair through as such. Loosen it using your fingers. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, add a rubber band in the middle. Roll the hair in on itself as such and then pull it through the top. Tie a low ponytail, then divide the hair into two sections. Once more, add two rubber bands to the middle, roll the hair in on itself, join it and then roll it into a bun. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Tie two ponytails at the bottom and then tie two rubber bands in the middle, lift it up and tie it up accordingly, add a decorative clip once you are done. Gather all of the hair together and then make a normal braid. Pull the braid through into a bun. Roll it up and tie it up. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself as such. Pull it through the top. Divide the hair into two sections. Braid both of these sections. Roll it up and tie it up. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then join it at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, pull it through the top. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Roll it up in the middle. Repeat this step one more time and then at the bottom make a braid. Roll up this braid. Start off by tying a ponytail, then take a section of this ponytail. Taking the top section, make a braid out of it. Roll this braid upwards and fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Add a rubber band to the middle and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Wrap this portion around the initial braid that you have created and fasten the loose ends in place. Tie a ponytail and then tie another rubber band at the base. Roll the hair in on itself as such and then roll it up into a bun. Use a multiple prong pin in order to do so. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a ponytail, add a rubber band to the base and then roll it up into a bun accordingly. Take two sections of the hair, make two ponytails, divide each of the ponytails into two parts. Roll them one on top of the other and then roll them upwards as such. Pull one through the other. Tie a low ponytail, then roll the hair upwards into a bun. Thank you for watching.